Hey, what's going on, everybody? Check it out. We've got another unboxing here. This one is from Monument Metals. This is my first time ordering from these guys. I've never dealt with Monument Metals before. They're not sponsoring this video or anything like that. They just had a really good deal on some silver, specifically some junk silver, and silver is down in spot, so I had to pick up the deal that they had. Got a couple extra things for you guys, those of you that hang out on my live show. So without further ado, what do you say we go ahead and bust this thing open, guys? Come on, let's do it. Alrighty, so like I said, Monument Metals here, not sponsoring, none of that. And this should be a few things, a few fun things. But I can tell you right now, this is very well packaged. I can see this already, and I've been sitting on this for a while. I've been crazy busy lately, so I haven't been able to like get to any unboxings or anything, really get to any videos. But now we're finally getting this thing open, and we're gonna take a peek inside and see what we got. So the tape that they use is not your traditional tape. That's security tape, so that's not easily ripped. I like that. I appreciate that. Alright, so inside the box we've got our invoice here, which I'll go ahead and pull out of the way. And we've also got a package within a package. So a nice hefty package. We'll go ahead and get rid of that box. And inside this should be our goodies. So we'll go ahead and cut the belly of the beast open. Let's see. Is it on the other side? It's on the other side. So we'll cut this side open. And here we are. So we got everything inside, and that should be it. So we'll get rid of this. And the first thing we got here, guys, this is something I've been looking at for a while, and it finally came to a good price. This is the 2015 Australia half-ounce Battle of the Coral Sea silver coin. Now, this coin is absolutely gorgeous. I love, again, you can see this here, minted by the Perth Mint. And I love the Perth Mint. I love what they're doing. I love the designs they're putting out there. But I've got two of these, and these things were a crazy priced sale. I forget what I paid, but I just remember thinking like, wow, I haven't seen that price on these ever. So I picked up a couple of these. Very excited about that. Now these are for you guys. Every Wednesday, if you're not aware, I go live. I have a live show right here on this channel, 7 o'clock Eastern. I give away tons of stuff. Bullion, currency, little pieces of history, just lots of fun stuff that I like to do. It's about an hour to an hour and a half show. So if you're free on Wednesday, come hang out. You'll have a chance at winning one of these. You see here, we've got a 1/4 ounce and the 1/10 ounce silver 999 fine. So this is a Morgan replica, obviously not a real one, but it's a 1/4 ounce Morgan. I thought these looked really cool. I wanted to give these out to you guys. And then we got that Walking Liberty. This is a 1/10 ounce here, and I thought that was cool too. So those were two little extra bonus purchases that I made after I made my initial purchase, and this is why I placed my order with Monument Metals. You can see here they have that security tape on here as well, which I do appreciate. Keeps this thing from busting open and then causing all the coins to kick out of there. So we'll go ahead and take off that tape now. And I can tell you, this is all quarters, it looks like. And I'm pretty sure what I ordered was just a tube of junk coins, junk silver coins, $10 face value. But I didn't specify what it was supposed to be, and they said it was going to be random. But it looks like they just sent me $10 in silver quarters, which is fine by me. You guys can see here as I shift the camera down. This is definitely fine by me because silver is silver at the end of the day. But I figured, why not go get $10 worth in junk silver? Now's the time to be buying this stuff. MonumentMetals.com. They had a crazy awesome deal on this stuff. Silver is down right now, guys, and this is what you should be picking up if you're stacking for the long term. If you're one of those people, maybe you're stacking for one of the SHTF scenarios or one of those things where the stock market collapses and you think a doomsday is coming. I'm not that guy, but if you are, this is the kind of silver you want to be putting back. not for nothing, guys, this is the cheapest kind of silver you can put back as well. It's going to have the lowest premium, but it's also going to be the most recognizable, the lowest chance of being counterfeited, and it's just a good way to hedge against the dollar. Now, I picked up these quarters at Monument Metals because I think they were like 29 cents over spot, something like that, and it was a random tube of $10 in face value and 90% junk silver. So we'll switch on over to the browser. I'll show you guys what that looks like here. You can see that they have a whole bunch of different types of junk silver that you can actually buy. The $10 face value silver variety pack will get you a little bit of everything. The $10 face value tube will get you maybe in dimes, maybe in quarters, maybe in halves. It's just random. You don't know what you're going to get. I happen to get quarters in this one here. They've even got the Kennedy half dollars if you want $10 in just that. But all of those have different prices. So if you want a specific kind, there's different prices that go along with it. The random one that I got here, $10 in face value, was, like I said, 29 cents or 22 cents or something like that over spot. I hadn't seen junk silver go down to that price in quite a while, so I figured, what the hell, why not, guys? But that's going to do it for me. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, make sure you thumbs up, and make sure you're subscribed as well. There's going to be a bell icon down there somewhere. Make sure you have that checked off, so this way when I do go live or I put out a new video, you can be alerted and you can be one of the first to check it out. But that's going to do it for me, everybody. I'll talk to you again real soon. Peace out, YouTube.